pangalan mo?
My name is Justin Riolada po.
Justin, sino ang inspirasyon mo sa pagkanta?
My dad po. Kasi tuwing sumasali po ako ng mga singing contest before, si daddy po yung lagi ko pong kasama, tsaka po si mami. So, ngayon ko lang po siya hindi nakasama kasi wala na po siya.
Oh, okay. So, well, sorry to hear that. At least you're able to give this moment, no? To honor him, no? Okay. Congratulations again, umikot si Coach Casey para sa'yo.
Thank you so much.
Tama si Coach Casey sa moment na umikot siya. Kasi yung best moments mo is nung umaangat yung kante. When you hit those high parts, that's when you soar. Sa akin, the inconsistencies going from section to section, yung flow lang eh. Yung sayo ng kanta, that's something you have to work on. Gustong-gusto ko yung ambition mo na sa mga dulo mo, yung mga parang runs mo, no? Right? I like that. Hindi mo natamaan yung note sometimes, pero I like the idea of it. Na alam mo, ginagawa mo ito palagi eh, di ba? Baka today lang hindi mo natamaan yun eh.
Nobody does runs like Casey Tandingan. And I was so wanting to turn my chair. Hindi ako umikot dahil hindi ako magaling dyan. I would not be doing you a service, but that's a very, very bad excuse. So for me, you have the best coach for what you do. Now, going to what Bamboo said, I think the simplest way to do everything he told you what to do, breathe. You're not breathing. You want to get it over with. Of course, you can't show us that you're breathing. That takes years of experience of how to look like you're not breathing. You know, it's very hard. But for all those runs, am I right? You have to be able to hold your breath in a way that no one can tell that you're even breathing. It's an art form, but if anyone can teach you, it's Coach KZ.
Pasensya ka na, wala kang choice. Pero I wanna be very honest with you kasi parang base sa pagkakarinig ko, parang you have been doing this for quite some time now, kahit na 17 ka pa lang. Ilang taon ka nang kumakanta?
Since 10 years old po.
Oh. Yeah. So naririnig ko sa'yo na meron kang experience. The coaching starts now. Ang dami mong mga ginawa na hindi lahat ng mga artists na nag-audition sa season na to kayang gawin. But siguro what we should work on is identifying which parts need those things. Kasi ang daming singers na kayang mag-runs, ang daming singers na kayang mag-hit ng high notes, but hindi lahat ng singers may taste. May mga songs na parang, especially for the first few parts of the song, parang I would suggest na kailangan mas simple siya. Like, reel the listeners in. Parang make them feel where you're going with the kwento. So, parang yun muna, kalma muna, and then merong special moment lang for you to put a little bit of something para mapakita mo lang yung variation sa mga pwede mong gawin. Kailangan ba yung run? Nakakadagdag ba ng value yung run na yun dun sa performance? Does it do something to make you feel something different? Kung hindi, then wag natin siyang i-prioritize. Pero kung kailangan, and I know you can do it well, pag pinractice mo ng paisa-isa talaga lahat ng notes mo, then let's do it. I am very excited na himayin lahat ng mga kanta mo and the songs that you can do in the future. And congratulations and welcome to Team Supreme!
Thank you po!
Welcome to Team Supreme. Nagdoble-doble na siya ng job. Lakpakan mo natin si